In this video, you'll learn how to buy and sell cryptocurrency on the OKX exchange. This guide will walk you through connecting your wallet, depositing funds, executing trades, and withdrawing your assets. Start by navigating to OKX.com using your web browser. Once the homepage loads, locate the Connect Wallet option. This button is typically found at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, and you will see options for MetaMask OKX wallet or other supported wallets. Select the wallet you want to connect and follow the prompts to complete the connection process. Next, you will need to deposit funds into your OKX account. To deposit cryptocurrency, navigate to Assets on the main menu. From there, select Deposit, and a list of available cryptocurrencies will appear. Choose the specific cryptocurrency you wish to deposit. After making your selection, copy the provided wallet address. Use this address to send your funds from your wallet to your OKX account. For fiat deposits, return to Assets, select Deposit, and then choose your preferred payment method. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transaction. Now that your funds are deposited, you can proceed to buy cryptocurrency for a quick purchase. Click on Buy Crypto and then select Quick Buy. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to buy and enter the amount. After confirming your selection, click the Buy button to complete the transaction. Alternatively, if you prefer spot trading, go to Trade, then select Spot. Choose the trading pair you want, such as BTC/USDC. Select Market Order, enter the amount, and finalize your purchase by clicking Buy. When you want to sell your cryptocurrency, you can again choose between quick selling or spot trading. For a quick sell, navigate to Buy Crypto, then select Quick Sell. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to sell, enter the amount, and click Sell to execute the trade. If you prefer spot trading, go to Trade, select Spot, and choose the appropriate trading pair. Select Market Order, enter the amount you want to sell, and then click Sell to complete the transaction. If you wish to withdraw your funds, navigate to Assets, click on Withdraw, and choose whether you want to withdraw cryptocurrency or fiat. After selecting the type, enter the destination address for the withdrawal. It is crucial to double-check this address for accuracy. Once confirmed, click Confirm to finalize the withdrawal process. Keep in mind that withdrawal times may vary based on network congestion and the type of cryptocurrency being withdrawn. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.